ስለኛ አንድ ነገር ልንገርሽ እኛ በነገርሽ ላይ የኩራትና የጽናት ተምሳሌቶች ነን ወደ ላይ ነው እንጂ ወደ ታች ጭራሽ ነው ማንወርደው
እንደናንተ ብዙ ማውራት ስለማንወድኛ አንድ ፕሮግራም ተዘጋጅቶ እየጠበቀሽ ነው ጥበብ ለምን አናያት
ጥበብ ያቺ ዙረታ ማለች
አንዴ ዛሬ እንዴሽ ተቀልሽ ቶቶት በባህር ሬስቶራንት
እውነትሽ ነው እኔ ግን ፈረንጅ ማየት ጓጓ
ወደ ፕሮግራሙ እናልፋለን ቻው ሰዎች
It is time to begin our biggest video ever. The continent's largest hydropower dam has finally had its grand opening in Ethiopia. I have genuinely never seen a country that can mobilize around something the way Ethiopia.
We are here!
ዛሬ ፈታ ዘና ያለቀልን ማሳለፍ ነው ትልቅ እንገዳ መጥቶብናል እንግዲህ አሁን የምንገኘው ኢትዮጵያን አርቲፊሻል ኢንተለጀንስ ኢንስቲትዩሽን ውስጥ ነው አንድ ትልቅ እንገዳ እየተቀበልን ነው ድልን ፔጅ ይባላል በቲክቶክ 19.3 ሚሊዮን ፎሎወሮች ሲኖሩት አብዛኛው ጊዜ ዜና ነው የሚዘግበው ኢትዮጵያ መጥቶ ኢትዮጵያን ለማሳየት ሀገራችንን ለመጎብኘት መጥቷል መልካም ጊዜ ይሁንላችሁ ወደስ
Whatever you want, okay?
Alright, let's ask.
What is this country? You can ask me.
Where do you think is the number one place I should visit while I'm in Ethiopia? My number one. Thank you very much. So yeah, what are we seeing here?
What is this?
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna read it very fast, okay?
ኢትዮጵያ የአርቲፊሻል ኢንተለጀንስ ቴክኖሎጂ ተቀባይ ብቻ ሳትሆን ዋና ተሳታፊ የሚያደርጋትን እንዲሁም የራሳችንን ችግሮች በራሳችን መፍታት የሚያስችለን ተቋም ገንብታለች። So this is a challenge, man. So we're basically building a system to help us solve our own problems.
This is what Addis is gonna look like.
Definitely, it's
Wow.
in all local language you can switch it to Amharic. If not, you can.
Hi, I just wanted to introduce myself.
Nice to
My
meet
name is
you.
Tabeb Solomon. I'm with EBS TV, and I will be coming with you on your journey today, if that's okay with you.
Of course, yeah.
Very direct, very forward.
Oh, yeah.
It's really nice to meet you. Welcome to Ethiopia. We have a lot to offer. Everybody's loving, caring. So, come on, you ready to go?
Let's go.
Let's go.
So Julian, you are one of the top highland capital city in the world. You know?
Yeah.
This is about 2,400 meters above sea level. So you can feel the altitude.
That's why you got such good runners here.
Yes,
huh?
yes.
Yeah.
We are here in Ethiopia!
አሁን አራዳ ፓርክ ነው የምንገኘው እንግዲህ እየተጓዝን ነው
It is time to plant a bigger tree than Speed in Ethiopia, just for this is Speed's tree here. Here we have Speed's tree. I promise I didn't plant it.
It just happened to happen. But here we go. All right, so take it out of the bag. Ooh,
Nice.
is that gonna be bigger? That'll be.
Yeah, it's big.
You're gonna hold it? All right.
So,
Have you ever planted a tree before?
First time. First time planting a tree. I'll come back here in 20 years.
you have to come back
Better
every
be
week to
giant.
water.
You gotta come back next month, dude.
Yeah. Who's gonna water?
Every month to water
It
it.
was a promise.
We need more soil.
We do. Steal some of Adonai.
No way. Let me take a bit of it.
Steal some of Adonai.
Yeah, you
Oh yeah, steal that, steal that.
That's mine, man.
soil, bro.
Okay, I better plant my tree. Let me do my job.
Look at that. Woo!
ሀገራችን እንደዚህ ውብ ሆና እንግዳ ተቀባይ ሆነን ይሄን ሁሉ ነገር ማሳየታችን በጣም ደስ የሚል ነገር ነው። እንዴት ነው ለማውራት ራሱ ይከብዳል። በጣም ደስ ብሎታል። እየተዝናና ነው። ይሄው እየጨፈረም ነው። እስቲ እንጨፍር። Very sweet like Fanta. Whoa, 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 whoa.
ሁላችሁንም እጅግ አድርገን እናመሰግናለን። በድጋሚ እንኳን ወደ ቶቶት የባህል የምግብ አዳራሽ በሰላም መጣችሁ። Dylan, we'd like to say welcome to Ethiopia. We're genuinely happy to have you here on your very first night. Ethiopia is not just a destination, it's not even just a country. It's a feeling, it's a story, and sometimes it's a plot twist.
ሁላችሁም ስለመጣችሁ እዚህ ስለተገኛችሁ በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል። ባህላችን ሀገራችን እያስተዋወቅን ያለ ነው በዓለም ደረጃ ማለት ነው። ዲላን ፔጅን እዚህ ኢንቫይት አድርገን and በጣም ውስጤ በጣም ደስታ እየተሰማኝ ነው። ያው ላለክስ እየተናነቀኝ ነበር እንግዲህ ለማቆም እየሞከርኩ ነበረ because ቶቶት ከጠበቅኩት በላይ አዘጋጅታችሁ ነው የጠበቃችሁት። ሰርፕራይዝ አድርጋችሁናል። ኢቨን ዲላንም ለራሱ ማመን አልቻለም እና Dylan, I would like to say welcome to Ethiopia. This is what it is, man. This is the family that you're seeing here. We love each other and we're even learning to love and accept each other even more. And I think it's going to change the world. Ethiopia is not just a country, but also a country that shifts the frequency of the world. And you have a pure heart and a pure energy, and I resonate with you. Ethiopian people resonate with you. That's why everybody's gathered to show love. So I just want to say we love you so much.
ሙዚቃ ለመጨፈር ዝግጁ ነኝ እኔ።
Wow, I didn't have that. I didn't expect it was going to be this big. I didn't expect this. Like, wow.
I know.
Billboards, everything. I had no idea because I make content in English.
Yeah.
And I didn't expect this.
So we had a long day today. We seen a lot. We went around the whole capital. What was the highlight of your day?
The fountains.
The fountains.
The water.
Yeah. Let's go to Vegas for that.
Oh man, that is so good. Yeah.
And then one piece of advice for the younger generation who wants to get into influence.
Man, dreams come true and don't give up on it. You got to stay consistent. Look at it. Yeah.
You guys are married now, by the way.
Yeah.
That was definitely a marriage situation. You guys know that, right? That went on long. Yeah. So you might as well just say you're valid here. You have anything to say? You have anything to say to your lovely wedded wife?
I mean, we've been almost 10 years together. This is the love of my life. I'm going to be with her forever. I will be. I will be.
Well, congratulations. I hope you guys come back and visit us.
I will.
Oh my goodness, so cute.
Man.
Be safe.
It's a lot, man. This is good. It's amazing.
Oh, okay, have your intimate moment. Thank you. Bye. ዝግጅቱ ይሄን ይመስል ነበር። እንግዲህ ከጥግ እስከ ጥግ ሄደናል። አዲስ አበባን በጠቅላላ አሳይተናል። እንግዲህ ሌላም ሰው መጥቶ አገራችን ጎብኙ፣ ብዙ የሚታይ ነገር አለን። ይሄን ይመስል ነበር። እኔ ወደ ስቱዲዮ፣ እናንተ ወዴት? ወደ ቀጣይ ፕሮግራም ፒስ።
እስከ መጨረሻው ድረስ ከኛ ጋር ስለነበራችሁ እናመሰግናለን። የምናዘጋጃቸውን አዝናኝ ቪዲዮዎች ማየት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚች ጋር ጠቅ ያድርጉ። ሰብስክራይብ የሚለውን ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ጠቅ ማድረግ እንዳረሱ። በቀጣይ ቪዲዮ እንገናኝ።